The MQTT plugin. OPC Router, the communication middleware. Go to Plugins and choose the MQTT plugin. Create a new entry and choose the MQTT standard or some predefined profiles for the connection properties. Go to the OPC UA client plugin, create a new entry, and also here enter the relevant connection parameter. Finally, choose some database system of your choice. In this case, I'm choosing Microsoft SQL Server, and in this dialog, I also enter the relevant connection parameters. Switch to Connections and create by right-clicking two new connections. The first one will publish information to a broker, that is, sending information to a broker. The second one will receive data from a broker and is the subscriber. So the first connection, I chose the data change trigger, so whenever the current amount on the OPC server changes, OPC Router will execute this connection. At the same time, when choosing output metadata, OPC Router will return some metadata about that value. That data is chosen for a JSON write transfer object, which creates a JSON object, and this is finally sent to the MQTT broker. Here you simply choose the profile, the data type, encoding, and finally some topic. In the second connection, you choose the MQTT trigger for receiving information. Map the payload to the JSON object, in this case the JSON read. OPC Router will then pass all the values and finally map those values to the database transfer object with your table and the respective columns. Finally, activate both connections and set them productive. In the status monitor, you will see each transfer during runtime.